Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Well, I'm not a good speaker, but I would like to share some memories of Vela. As you know, in Punjabi, Vela means free, who's got no work. So I was always called Vela Commanding Officer. So I had to recover from that. It was a great honor and privilege for me to commission Vela and also to be here for this new Vela. I'm very glad that Admiral Shekhawat, my roommate in Vladivostok for 1.5 years, is here. He was the former Chief of Naval Staff. Thank you, sir, for coming. And of course, all my colleagues are here. Vela was the first submarine of the Vela class, and in fact, the 5th submarine there. And I, being the junior most on the list, was selected to go for the deep diving trials in March 1973. And Commander Tuni and Commander Lohana, we went. This went right up to Murmansk. From Murmansk, we went to Kim and then did deep diving trials in the White Sea. Everything was tickety-boo. And I took charge of the Russians there, the GTD and GT. I said, I will come here on 13th August and I will commission on 31st August. So they sent this information to NHQ, thinking that Soviets are wanting this. So everything was planned like that. And secondly, I told them that when we land at Moscow, we have to change aircraft. And with our baggage, we will not be able to do. So please organize a flight from Moscow itself to Riga. And unfortunately, when we arrived Moscow, they said, you have to change the flight. So I told the Russian, I said, in the Soviet days, I said, what is this? You promised this. He caught one aircraft coming from Riga. He says, where do you come from? Riga. He says, you take them all back to Riga. So this is how, if you organize things well, everything can happen in place. So 13th August we reached there, and 31st August we commissioned Vela. It was a very good commissioning ceremony, everything as usual. We came back visiting various ports, and as Admiral Shekhawat will vouch, in the first submarine we were not allowed to stay in hotels. We had to stay on ships. So we had escort Talwar, commanded by Dawson, was escorting us. He visited 15 ports, and we visited only 4 ports. And throughout the long journey of 3 months, he was with us only for 4 days. So you can imagine the escort that they gave. Okay. Then I was authorized to go and sleep in INS Talwar, in Lieutenant Chopra's room. He had only 1 bed, so he made me sleep on the floor. So this is how we started off, and things have changed very much now. So I'm honored to be here to see the commissioning of second Vela, the new Vela, and I wish them all glory, happiness, and all the best in life. Thank you very much.
Admiral Shekhawat, Rear Admiral Sodhi, retired, commissioning commanding officer of the erstwhile Vela, Vice Admiral Narayan Prasad, CMD, MDL, Vice Admiral Kiran Deshmukh, CWP&A, Consul General and representatives of the French Embassy, commanding officer, officers and crew of INS Vela, distinguished guests, respected veterans, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed an honor and privilege for me to be present today for the commissioning of the 4th submarine of Project 75, INS Vela. I congratulate the Maasdok Shipbuilders Limited, our French partners, Messrs. Naval Group, Messrs. MBDA, and all personnel who worked tirelessly towards this commissioning. Induction of the Foxtrot class submarines in 1967 heralded the birth of Indian Navy's submarine arm, and this quantum leap in the Indian Navy's operational capabilities was evident in the 1971 Indo-Pak War, where Indian naval submarines played a crucial role in its war plans. And in similar vein, submarines of the Project 75, I'm sure, will transform Indian Navy warfighting abilities in the underwater domain in the years to come. It's also a time-honored naval custom that old ships never die. And in keeping with this tradition, Vela, which has just been commissioned today, takes her name from her illustrious predecessor.